The MAXVAC MV1200 Sweeper is perfect for cleaning large spaces such as warehouses, factories, airports, shopping centres and more. This battery-powered sweeper offers ride-on technology for the ultimate solution to no stress, no strain cleaning. It can be used both indoors and outdoors to tackle any and all cleaning tasks on your site, capturing everything from litter to fine dust. Easy to steer, and with a very tight turning radius you can navigate even the tightest spaces. And with a powerful work light you can illuminate any dust and grime. Boasting an average of 7 hours battery life, you'll have more than enough time to thoroughly clean even the largest buildings from a single charge. With an adjustable suction mouth able to pick up waste of all sizes, the MV1200 features a huge 80 litre of litter storage to save you making multiple trips to empty it while in use. And with H13 HEPA filtration, this innovative sweeper prevents settled dust from becoming airborne and harmful again, which is especially useful for dangerous dusts such as silica. The MAXVAC MV1200 is not just a sweeper, it's your key to a cleaner, healthier and more efficient construction site maintenance.